Hi, Wanda.
Hi, I thank you for this morning. I was just burning up my pen taking notes. Very
Well,
helpful.
Wanda, yeah, just not to interrupt you before you get started, just want to no, we get so caught on the hamster wheel every day, right? We forget to realize the big picture. We only have, we're here like we're like mist that's here for a short period of time, and then we're gone. If we're luckily and take good care, around 100 years max, right? For most of us, if we're lucky. And basically, do you want to go through it reactive and not thinking and conscious of what's going on, or do you want to take control and become the dominant force in your life? So you're absolutely, I'm glad you're taking notes, because the other part about that, these are recorded. And I have to tell you, this is an important thing of learning. When I'm watching something that someone's doing that I find value in, I'll go back and watch it 6, 7 times, and I'll take notes on that. So that's really, because each time you're learning at a deeper level, you'll find something that you didn't get before. And then the main thing to do is to start practicing it right away.
Right,
So go
absolutely.
for it.
That's what I did in November. I came on and I shared some things with you about my family and how I've been on this journey for 2 years and getting really, really healthy in my own life. I shared with you that we had 7 adopted children that we worked closely with, and um, creating independency for them was hard for me, as this healthy version of myself. Because everyone around you kind of expects you to be who you've always been. And you gave me some tips and you asked me to come back and share with you how it was going. And so I applied those things in some key relationships in November and December. It was hard. There was some resistance, but there's a lot of freedom now. I've let some responsibilities go and back to their proper place, and it has freed me up. And I want to celebrate this. In January, my husband and I got in some spaces with some leaders in our lives and focused on this year. And February 1st, we paid off all of our unsecured debt.
Awesome.
Had
How
we
does
not
that feel? How does that feel?
Oh, freaking amazing. We are in a whole different place in February than we were in December. And I really believe that applying the things that you shared with me, among other things that we're learning, that it gave us space to kind of pull back away from the things that we were micromanaging that weren't ours to micromanage, and begin to manage ourselves and really apply ourselves. And we've been working on being debt free since 2018. It's been a goal for that long. And we embarked on that in February. And I believe, had we not released ourselves like you encouraged me to, and let some of our kiddos have their small wins and victories instead of depending on us, we were able to focus on us. And now we're teaching them how to be free by becoming free ourselves. So thank you. It was what I needed in November, and it reset some trajectory in my life. And we're celebrating some great freedom. So what you're teaching works.
Great. Thanks. That was awesome.